Big congratulations on choosing this groundbreaking app. We are so excited for you. Now, because this is so important to your online business, I'd like to ask you an important question. How would you like to double the conversions and 10 times your profits with the same videos without any extra effort? Well, what I'm about to introduce to you will put you on a whole other level with a touch of a button. Introducing VidHost Pro Enterprise. From deep analytics to advanced video advertisement technology, your brand labeling, subtitles in any language, team management, CRM integration, and advanced project management system, Enterprise has it all. That's right. By joining our exclusive Enterprise level, you could now do it like a boss. VidHost Pro Enterprise Edition ensures you can scale quickly, and even more tools are there to work with. Here's a quick glance at what you are getting with this special upgrade today. First, know exactly what's working for your videos with the power of deep analytics to boost your profits with virtually no extra effort. You can see stats according to unique visitors, engagement, technology, device, location, or according to results. Analyze your videos on parameters to improve your strategy and multiply engagement and profits. Show your brand logo on the player to make it yours for all of your own and your clients' videos, and present yourself as the authority. Cater to viewers from various countries and demographic locations with the same video using subtitles in any language. No matter what language the video is, just upload a transcript in our software and it will show subtitles under the video to convey the message. Unlock our advanced advertisement technology for better monetization with video ads, image ads, text ads, and even show an HTML page right inside the videos. If you have an affiliate banner or buy button and the link for any offer, you could show it right inside the video at any chosen moment and get more clicks and sales using our annotation feature. Don't have an affiliate banner or don't want to create one? Well, no issues. Just use a call to action, your affiliate link with our system, and your advertisement at any point in the video. How cool is that? If you get your hands on an interactive video, you could show it right before presenting an affiliate offer inside the main video and get even more engagement and sales. That's not all. We went crazy and gave you the power of showing the entire affiliate page as your ad. You could block the video at any moment and show the page right inside the video so visitors can check the offer without leaving your video and can buy right there. Get our advanced project and campaign management system to manage everything easy and fast. Now you could replace any video without making any changes to the settings. You could move your videos to other projects, download them, and much more. You could click on the project option, select the Manage tab, and make changes according to your needs. Maximize your return on investment from your leads with customer resource management integration and convert your prospects into paying customers. For integrating CRM, it's as easy as filling in 2 key pieces of information in the fields. Share control of your business with up to 50 team members to outsource your manual work. Fill in their information and set their privileges and assign them their roles, and you are done. To get all these features in one easy-to-use tool would normally cost you thousands to develop on your own. Or you'd have to spend an arm and a leg every single month to try and piece together all these features using multiple tools. But even if you could, why would you want to? Especially when we're offering you all these incredible features in one easy-to-use platform, which we could charge quite a bit for this level of access. However, as a way of saying thank you for already purchasing VidHost Pro, we would like to offer you an incredibly and insanely low discount for VidHost Pro Enterprise. So if you're serious about taking your business to that next level, then we highly encourage you to add this to your order today. Also, just in case you're wondering, the money-back guarantee, it still stands. This way you could order with total peace of mind, and you know that we stand behind all our products. Read the details below on this page, then click to add this to your order today, and we'll get it unlocked in your account immediately. Again, we're so excited for you and your business. See you on the inside.